Hi, my name is Maggie, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Materials Science Classroom Kit from the Ceramic and Glass Industry Foundation. This kit includes 9 teacher-led lessons and demonstrations designed to bring materials science into the classroom in a fun and engaging way. First up, we have Hot or Not, which is designed to show how materials can withstand very high temperatures. And Hot or Not actually comes with a refractory brick, which is really not easily accessible to buy anywhere else. Next up is the Candy Fiber Pull, which demonstrates the unique properties of glass by examining the liquid to solid and solid to liquid transitions. In Shape Memory Alloys, we'll learn how the motion of atoms under added heat can change the shape of metals. In this lesson, we'll demonstrate the piezoelectric effect in several materials and explain why this property exists in certain materials. In this lesson, we'll illustrate thermal shock and the effects of differing amounts of modifier on the properties of glass. Next up, we'll demonstrate that glass can be a phase of matter rather than a particular material. In Engineered Concrete, we'll demonstrate how preparation of a material can affect the final material properties. In Thermal Processing of Bobby pins, we'll show the differences that processing can have on the properties of a material. And lastly, in How Strong is Your Chocolate, we'll demonstrate how material properties can influence the strength of a material. These 9 experiences will increase hands-on learning in the classroom, and your students will really love doing them. Additionally, our lessons meet the Ohio standards of learning, so you won't be wasting valuable classroom time. You can check it out today at foundation.ceramics.org, or you can scan the QR code to apply for a kit grant to bring materials science to your outreach event or classroom.